Hello, and welcome back to IGCSE with Ree. In today's lesson, we will practice 4 meaning questions. Question 1. Let's read the question first. One woman said she didn't feel she could drop her guard after the earthquake and was still praying for minimal damage. What does that mean? Clearly, this question is worth 3 marks, which means you need to provide 3 meanings. The question asks you to provide or explain 1 idiom and 2 individual words. The idiom is drop her guard. The 2 words are minimal and damage. Drop her guard means to relax, stop being cautious. Minimal means very little, the least possible. Damage means harm or destruction. Putting them all together, she could stop being cautious and pray for least harm. Side note, how do I know which words the examiner is awarding marks for? It's simple. Examiners do not expect meanings for common words such as she, could, the, or was. This leaves the key content words and phrases, such as drop her guard, minimal damage, earthquake, and praying. These are the words that carry meaning and are most likely to be awarded marks. If you are unsure which words are required, there is no harm in giving meanings for the words you suspect. Question 2. The writer states that laughing is more than just a pleasurable, contagious sound. What does that mean? Clearly, this question is out of 2 marks, which means you need to provide 2 meanings: pleasurable and contagious. Pleasurable means enjoyable or delightful. Contagious means infectious. Now, after writing the words, let's write the sentence. Laughing is more than just an enjoyable, infectious sound. Side note: the words contagious and infectious are not only used in biology. They can also describe emotions, attitude, or energy. For example, she has an infectious smile, or she has contagious energy. Question 3. The writer states that the immune system, which helps us resist disease, is boosted. What does that mean? 2 marks means 2 words. Resist means fight or defy. Boosted means improved or enhanced. Let's write the sentence. The immune system, which helps us fight disease, is enhanced. An important side note here. Sometimes you must keep the same part of speech as the word in the question. So if the word is an adjective, you should provide an adjective. Here, boosted is in the past participle form, so your meaning should also be in the past participle form, such as increased and enhanced. Let's practice the last question in today's lesson. The writer states that muscle tension is eased. What does this mean? 2 marks, 2 words, 2 meanings. The word tension means tightness or stiffness. The word eased means reduced, relieved, or relaxed. Now let's write the sentence. Muscle stiffness is relaxed. Side note, why do I write words first and then the sentence? Because if we only write the sentence, we may miss an important meaning. The examiner awards marks for each specific word. So writing the meaning separately ensures you secure all available marks. Finally, feel free to leave your questions in the comments. And if you learned something useful today, share it with other students and always come back for more.